What's up, you guys? Idiot Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you guys what I think is the best VPN service you guys can use on your iPhone on any iOS version. So before we get into this, you guys, I'd appreciate if you hit that like and share button below. And if you guys have not subscribed to us, I'd definitely appreciate that as well. So for those of you guys who are not familiar with what a VPN is, it means virtual private network. Basically, it allows you to do three different things, you guys. It allows you to access restricted websites based on the country you're in. So if you've ever tried to access a site that says that you cannot access it based on where you're located, you'll be able to do it. The other reason is if you download like a lot of movies and torrents and then you try to stream them through your cable or your TV, a lot of the time you'll get flagged by the cable network. So it's good for torrents, you guys, or streaming movies that technically you've downloaded illegally. The last reason is you guys can have an anonymous IP address, so you can browse anonymously, which allows Google not to be able to track you or just about anybody else. All right, so the one I'm going to be showing you guys is ExpressVPN. Now, I'm going to leave a link in the description. This is actually the top recommended one with the Pirate Bay. So if you guys have ever been to the piratebay.com before, .org, this is the one they use. And I'm actually subscribed to it, you guys. So I do want to open it up in the App Store so you guys can see. But currently, it's got about 70, almost or pretty much 5-star reviews. It basically shows you or tells you what it does, but I'm going to open the app up to show you guys what it does. But it's really good, you guys. So anyways, let's open it up so you guys can actually see how this thing works. It's really freaking easy, you guys. So I'm about to log into it on here. I've actually never logged into it on this iPhone before, so I got to configure it. So I imagine it's going to be pretty easy. So let's just see here. All right, cool. So I got it to work. Okay, so looks like all I have to do is, click a button right here. So it says the VPN is off. All right, I'm going to tap it and see what it does. Okay, cool. So now the VPN's on. Okay, one way you guys can tell this is actually working and turned on is whenever you turn a VPN on, it'll say VPN in the top of your iPhone. You guys can see right there, it says VPN at the top. All right, another way you guys can check this out is by looking up your IP address. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so it'll pull up your IP address. You guys can check to make sure that it's not your actual one. This is not my actual IP address. So it's pretty cool, you guys. So basically now with this thing turned on, I can, start browsing anonymously. I can start downloading stuff and not have to worry about, my cable network or the browser giving me a message saying that you're downloading illegal things. So you can do movies, games, all kinds of stuff. And then you can access restricted websites based on the country you're in. So there's actually, what's really cool about this, you guys, is you can set it up on multiple devices. Now, this is the kicker right here, you guys. So this service is not free. You can get it for like $8 a month. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for it, but it's totally worth it, you guys. You can use, once you guys, install this or use it with one thing, you can use it for everything. So you can use it on your computer, your Xbox, PlayStation, I mean, literally everything. And you can start using it, downloading things, accessing those restricted websites. And that's all you got to do, you guys. I mean, it's literally the click of a button. Now, there are some free VPN services out there. I recommend you stay away from them because they're really not reliable. ExpressVPN is my go-to, you guys. So like I said, this is the one. You guys can definitely message me if you have any questions about it. If you've never used a VPN service before, and maybe I touched on some of the points why you might want to do it. Like you download a lot of, torrents or whatever. You stream a lot of movies that are not, out yet, that you download onto your phone, and you get, warnings from, the browser, maybe your cable network, your service provider. Or if you have an issue, accessing restricted websites, this is totally worth it, you guys. So if you're like me, this kind of service is definitely gold. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the top of the description for it. Definitely appreciate if you hit that like and share button, you guys. Stay tuned for more and be sure to subscribe to our channel.